So we've been moving along great. This is one of 4 evaluation sites in East Texas. We use this in our development process for regionally adapted seed sources. So we grew transplants in the greenhouse, and in early August we came out here and put them in the ground. The end goal is a commercial seed source.
It's very important to help us know which plants do best in which landscapes. We don't spend money on seed that's not going to work, but it also helps us restore the landscape faster than what it would take if we just did trial and error, trial and error, trial and error.
So we have a little bit going on right here, a few different studies. First, we're looking at native plant evaluations of purple top tridents, early successional species. It occurs in most of the state, but there's no real commercial variety available. So this will be huge for the commercial market. In this row, we're seeing good growth. This is a high number of seed heads, good for seed production. We want to pick a population that's going to come out and produce strong, viable seeds. Foliage density is high, great for cover, thick leaves, great potential for grazing. So far, we're looking at a great population. Then we're looking at over here, different population right next to the others. Something we're noticing here is plants are falling out. There is no real uniformity between plants within this succession. We got seed heads coming up right here, whereas this plant's still struggling. So that's what we like to see in these evaluation sites. So there are winners, there are losers in this study, and being able to put them in the same environment side by side, really able to pick out the strong population.